Hi, I'm Janet. I came to Strong Tower Fitness about a month ago. I did some single trainings with Brian, and the reason I did was I just came off of a total knee replacement and I wanted to get stronger and be able to move better, just be more healthy. So we started out with the one-on-one trainings with the neuroplasticity, and at first I was a little hesitant because I wasn't sure that I believed in it. But I can tell you that I do believe in it because I saw so many different things. My balance improved just by doing a little exercise, exercise. So, and I don't mean exercise by exercise, I mean exercise by drill. And my vision, I noticed that my vision, it was like I could, I read a thing, we checked my vision, and then we did another exercise, and I could read a whole line below that kind of blew my mind away. So now I've started in the group therapy, group classes, and really enjoy them. You will be sore, but you can work through it, and this is my third class, and I can't believe how much stronger I feel already. So I would highly encourage you to come and try it.